Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background for free in Canva. No pro account needed. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just tap on apps. This one, just tap on it. And then just search for background eraser. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just upload your photo. Like this, and then just remove background. And okay, like this, your background is gone. Like this, it's completely free, no Canva Pro required. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.